Every time you open your browser, there's a new headline about AI. The sheer volume of new information can make you feel completely buried. Maybe you finally decided to try it. You logged in and asked for help, and the answer you got back was confusing or just totally useless. Let's look at this course guide. The message right on the page is clear. You don't need to be technical. You don't need advanced computer skills. When you get a strange answer, it isn't because you lack coding knowledge. It's usually a simple mismatch of expectations. Think of AI like a brand new intern on their very first day in the office. They're lightning fast, eager to please, and take every word literally. If you hand that eager intern a blank piece of paper and say, "Do a good job," they will run in circles. When the work is poor, the root cause is almost always the instructions they received. So let's identify the 3 most common communication errors people make when delegating tasks to their new virtual assistant. Once you treat this software as a communication challenge, operating it becomes something anyone can do. The first major hurdle is treating the AI text box exactly like a traditional search engine. We are trained to type short, punchy keywords, like best marketing strategies, and wait for a list of links to click. But AI doesn't retrieve existing web pages. It reads you instructions and generates an original response from scratch, word by word. To fix this, give the software a specific role. Ask it to act like a senior marketing assistant brainstorming ideas for a local bakery. Setting up a collaborative dialogue yields a tailored answer, which is much more useful than a generic data dump. The second common error is giving vague instructions and hoping the computer will simply fill in the blanks. You might type, "Write an email to my team about Friday's meeting." That sounds completely clear in your head, but what you get back is a response that is rigid, overly formal, and entirely missing your natural speaking voice. You have to supply the details. Mention that the meeting is about the new budget, ask it to keep the tone upbeat, and treat the prompt like you're briefing a real human employee. The software doesn't know your workplace culture. It relies entirely on you to provide the surrounding context. Finally, people often assume the very first answer the AI provides should be flawless, and they abandon the tool when it misses the mark. Reading from the course text again, we can see the real goal. You should feel confident using AI as a support tool, not something that replaces you. If that first draft is a bit off, just reply to it. Tell the software to make the text shorter, or ask it to adjust the tone. That iterative back-and-forth dialogue is how you shape a rough initial output into a polished final product. Getting good results from this technology doesn't require complex programming. It takes clear communication and a little patience. You can start tackling real-world tasks right now, like drafting an awkward email or organizing your daily schedule. Looking at our guide one last time, the best advice is to take your time, pause, practice, and know there is no penalty for making mistakes. By managing AI like a helpful intern, the intimidation fades, leaving you with a highly practical tool for your daily life.